Rest in peace, Miata. You're in a better place now. The junkyard.
Alright, dude, we need to find a new car for the channel ASAP. I'm gonna go start the search now.
Hey, you know, you always choose the cars for the CarVision garage. Let me choose it this time.
Alright, fine. We need something sporty, that looks cool, and doesn't break the bank.
I will not let you down.
Remember, sporty!
Sporty!
3 days later.
Alright, man, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this?
Let's see it. I'm excited.
Alright. Ta-da!
Seriously? You're replacing the Miata with this?
Yeah.
This is a Civic.
It looks good.
I mean, it's nice and all, but it's not even an SI.
Okay. Alright, man, fine.
I think we need to find another car.
Okay, fine.
5 minutes later.
What about this baby?
Dude, I asked for a sporty car and you bring me a Honda Pilot?
I mean, it's got 20-inch rims and 280 horsepower. How much more sporty can it get?
Yeah, but it's a Pilot.
Come on, man.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, how about this Japanese masterpiece? A used 2016 hydrogen-powered Toyota Mirai.
Yeah, but it's so slow and ugly.
Okay, I prefer futuristic and zippy.
Yeah, I don't think so.
You know, you asked me to do this, you indecisive piece of
1 hour later.
Alright, man. This is my last and final offer. After this, I'm out, okay?
Okay.
Shit.
Oh my god. It's
Dude.
so beautiful.
Get a hold of yourself.
This is the one. This is the one I've been looking for.
Thank you,
This
God.
is it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This car search is finally over and I can get on with my life.
Well guys, here she is, our brand new 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia in Misano Blue. I absolutely love this car. Big thanks to my cameraman / brother Akash for putting up with my pickiness throughout this car search. But I'm so glad we found the right car. It is a really great car and I hope you guys like it too. Please be sure to stay tuned by hitting that like button and that subscribe button for more awesome content with the 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia. I will catch you all in the next video. Be sure to stay safe and healthy and wear your mask. See you soon. Peace out.